My name is Shermarke Hassan. I'm a clinical epidemiologist. I studied in the Netherlands. 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to come to Milan and to work with this research group at the Policlinico. This project is about patients with hemophilia A. Hemophilia A is a rare genetic disorder which predisposes patients to bleed more. They have all types of bleeds, but most commonly they are bleeds in the muscles and in the joints. And in some cases they can also get very life-threatening bleeds, such as brain bleeds. This is because they lack a certain protein in their blood called factor VIII. And factor VIII is essential for your blood to clot properly. If left untreated, patients with severe hemophilia, their life expectancy is very low, so it's less than 30 years. Fortunately, nowadays we have good treatment options. The standard way of treating these patients is by manufacturing the protein that they are missing, factor VIII, and infusing this to the patient. Unfortunately, there is one complication of this treatment, which is that roughly 1/3 of the patients that are treated with factor VIII tend to develop an immune response against the drug that is infused. They tend to develop antibodies against factor VIII, and these antibodies, they neutralize the drug and make it ineffective. In this study, we want to look at the immune cells of patients that develop this unwanted immune response and see if they behave differently than the immune cells of patients that did not develop this immune response in terms of their gene activity. This project might be very useful for two reasons. We will be able to better understand the biological mechanisms underpinning this adverse immune response, which we can use to develop less immunogenic drugs. And secondly, we might be able to use these results to better predict which patients will develop this adverse immune response, which we can use to optimize their individual treatment plan. Fondazione Patrimonio Ca Granda, first and foremost, has made it possible for us to execute this project at all, financially, which we are very grateful for. In addition, within this project, we are working with several different research groups. This is of great benefit to us because this will be useful not just for this project, but also for many new projects in the future for this research center. Fondazione Patrimonio Ca Granda is really unique because they've been able to take this agricultural heritage and use it in a way to support different research projects, which I think is quite unique, and I'm very impressed by this.